Keeping on top of your legal obligations around equipment inspection, testing, reporting and recording can be an arduous process, but one that's critical for the proper functioning of your tools, equipment, and to fully comply with health and safety legislation, ensuring colleagues remain as safe as possible on site and in the premises you manage. If you thought your only option is to record it in a folder and leave it in the site office or under the seat of the vehicle, your job and the transparency of your safety procedures have just gotten a lot easier. And if you find your go-to stickers regularly peel away from the tools with illegible pen scribbles over them, faded and scuffed, then your health and safety record keeping has just gotten a whole lot easier too. Scafftag, first developed 40 years ago, has become the recognised best practice holder and insert system across the UK, Europe, Middle East and Africa. Let it become your saviour in keeping diligent, complete inspection records without requiring any extra work, over and above what you're currently doing. And streamline even further by working with SafeTrack, our RFID solution for even faster inspection and reporting solutions. The total visual solution is accomplished with both custom shadow and workboards for any premises, site or application. Scafftag ensures a more visual representation of your inspections and current status to operators of the equipment at the point of use, with clear audit trails of maintenance, tests and inspections to help comply with health and safety legislation if an external audit or site visit took place. Plus, simply remove the insert and leave the asset, area or excavation immediately in prohibition. It's as simple as that. Scafttags are chemical and water resistant, weather and UV resistant, tear proof and recyclable. If you don't see what you need as a standard offer, there are over 5,000 client specific custom designs, so we can work with you to design a solution. This system really is the smart way forward. Bring your inspections to the asset, in the eye line of the user. Don't keep your inspections in a book that's kept hidden away in the site office, or laminate sheets of paper that you can't write on, print loads of stickers that keep fading and peeling off, or paint directly onto the equipment. Scafftag is your solution to streamlining your equipment safety record keeping system whilst keeping your operators even safer with a clearly visual tag at the point of use. A smart system that you're going to love. Check out all of the new Scafftag inspection options on the website and try them out for yourself to see where the visual inspection and area compliance options can help you comply and your staff go home safely.